In this part of the lecture series, we will learn about some key management terms such as organizational project management or OPM, portfolio management, program management, project management, program management office or PMO. Before moving any further, please sure to download the differential summary of the functional matrix and the projectized organization with some simulated case study. This will be very beneficial for your exam. At least 1 or 2 questions may fall in one way or other in your exam. So please download the differential summary chart from the description. Also, I'll be providing you the notes of this lecture too in the description. You can easily do that by clicking the link in the description. First of all, let's start with what is organizational project management. It is an overall framework and a guide to portfolio management and the project management. The main aim of the organizational project management is to meet the organization's strategic needs. So it is like an umbrella term. Portfolio management. It is all about selecting and managing those programs that meets the strategic goals of the company. Program management helps in coordination and management of the related projects that meets the organization's strategic goal. And about project management, we know that project is anything which has a scope, a start and a finish and is temporary. A project manages all the activities covering a particular scope. Group of projects builds a program and groups of program forms a portfolio, and these all are coordinated and guided as per rules by the organizational project management or OPM. We have a very important term here, program management office or PMO. It is like the regulatory body for the project in an organization. It helps to govern and standardize the projects. It sets the priorities in a project. It basically has 3 main roles: supportive, controlling and directive. Supportive, which is a low control and more support role. Supportive role includes making policies, training, providing templates, SOAPs or standard operating procedures, documenting and providing lessons learned, etc. The other role of the Program Management Office or PMO is the controlling role, which has a moderate control. Activities such as providing specific tools and resources required for the project management, prioritizing the project, and providing guidance and training fall on the controlling role. Another is directive role, which has the extreme control. It includes tasks such as providing the resources, termination, compliance, guidance, communication, project prioritization, management of the project, and programs and portfolios, etc. Through the directive roles of the PMO, we can also appoint the project managers. A question for you. A sponsor and a team of stakeholders wanted to appoint a project management through the PMO. We know that PMO has different kinds of roles. Under which of these roles or PMO role is the project manager selected? Is it the supportive role? Is it the controlling role? Or is it the directive role? I will expect the correct answer from you, as we have already covered this in the lecture. Please write your answers in the comment box. Before ending this lecture, I again want to emphasize to download the differential summary of the functional matrix and projectized organizations with some simulated case study from the link in the description. This will be very important for you for your exam. At least 1 or 2 questions may fall in one way or other. Also, I'll be providing you the next notes of this section or this lecture as well. You can easily do that by clicking the link in the description. Thank you so much.